Reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of cruiser motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic. This iconic American cruiser offers a blend of classic style and modern technology, making it a top choice for long-distance touring. Background and description. The Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a Milwaukee 8 engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The Heritage Classic's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Comfortable ergonomics. The relaxed riding position, plush seat, and adjustable windscreen make for long-distance comfort. Advanced technology. Features like cruise control, ABS, and a premium audio system enhance the riding experience. Spacious storage. Ample storage space in the saddlebags and trunk for long journeys. Classic American styling. The Heritage Classic's iconic American cruiser design exudes timeless appeal. Design and aesthetics. The Heritage Classic has a classic American cruiser design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Heritage Classic is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Heritage Classic has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Heritage Classic is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic stands out for its iconic American design and premium features. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced technology make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the Heritage Classic is definitely worth considering.